Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I am going to give you a special review on our #1 selling Tempur-pedic. It's the Proadapt Medium Hybrid. This is the #1 selling at the Kingdom here at Mattress Kingdom. Give you a review, give you some features and benefits. This is a $2,999 mattress. One of the coolest features about this is actually a hybrid. So it has inner springs on the inside of the mattress. It's pocketed coil technology. So you get the best support in the industry with pocketed coils, and then you get the best contouring comfort material as far as Tempur-pedic material goes. Another cool feature is that this has a removable cover. So if you have an accident, you spill some water, spill something on your bed, you can actually remove this, throw it in the washer, put it in the dryer on a tumble dry, throw it back on your bed. No problems, no issues, no concerns whatsoever. Also, a pro tip for you guys: if you are looking for a great time to buy a Proadapt Medium Hybrid, or any Tempur-pedic at that, you're looking for dates like Memorial Day, 4th of July, Black Friday. Right now, if you're watching this video, this is the weekend before Memorial Day. You can actually save an extra $100 off this mattress. And on top of that, if you buy it with an adjustable base, you can get an additional $100 or $200 off the adjustable base. So if you're looking to make that investment, my advice is to wait during a special holiday and you'll get a special savings on that. My overall review for this bed, even though it's #1, I'm still going to give it a 4 out of 5 stars. The reason it's #1 is because of the price point. There are some better beds out there. If you check out any of our Lux Breeze or our Lux Soft, Lux Adapt models, those are probably in the more
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.